What if I told you that people are making six figures a year just by having conversations with AI chatbots? And no, I'm not talking about some complicated coding nightmare that requires a computer science degree. I'm talking about regular people, maybe just like you, who discovered how to turn simple AI interactions into a legitimate full-time income stream. Last month alone, I tracked over 300 individuals who are generating consistent monthly income ranging from $3,000 to $15,000 using nothing more than AI chatbots and a basic understanding of human psychology. The best part, most of them started with zero technical experience. Here's the reality that most people miss about artificial intelligence. Everyone's obsessing over learning to code or building complex algorithms, but they're completely overlooking the gold mine sitting right in front of them. The real opportunity isn't in creating AI technology, it's in becoming the bridge between AI capabilities and real human needs. Think about it this way. Right now, millions of businesses are drowning in customer service requests, lead generation challenges, and content creation bottlenecks. They desperately need solutions, but they don't have the time or expertise to implement AI systems themselves. That's where you come in as the problem solver, and trust me, businesses will pay handsomely for someone who can deliver results. Let me break down the three main income streams that are absolutely crushing it right now. Here's how this works in practice. You identify businesses that receive repetitive customer questions, maybe a local restaurant chain asking about hours and menu items, or a fitness center dealing with membership inquiries. You create customized chatbot responses using platforms like ChatGPT or Claude, and then connect them through user-friendly chatbot builders such as Tidio. What I like about Tidio is that you don't need coding skills. You can start for free, and it integrates easily with websites and e-commerce platforms. You're not just giving them a bot, you're giving them back their time and improving customer satisfaction. The second massive opportunity is in lead generation and qualification. Every business needs more qualified customers, but most struggle with effectively identifying and nurturing potential clients. This is where AI chatbots become incredibly powerful tools for gathering information and warming up prospects before they ever speak to a human salesperson. Picture this scenario. A real estate agent spends hours every week answering basic questions from potential home buyers. Instead of burning time on repetitive conversations, they could have a chatbot that asks qualifying questions, gathers contact information, and determines genuine buying intent. With tools like Tidio, you can set this up in a matter of hours, and suddenly, that agent only talks to pre-qualified, ready-to-buy prospects. The third income stream that's exploding right now is content creation assistance. Content creators, marketers, and business owners are constantly struggling to produce engaging material for social media, blogs, and marketing campaigns. They need someone who can help them leverage AI tools effectively without getting lost in the technical details. This isn't about replacing human creativity, it's about amplifying it. You become the person who knows how to craft the right prompts, organize content workflows, and maintain brand consistency across all AI-generated materials. Content creators will pay premium rates for someone who can help them produce more quality content in less time. Now let's talk about the practical steps to get started. First, pick one specific niche or industry that genuinely interests you. Next, start experimenting with different AI platforms to understand their strengths and limitations. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Tidio all have different uses, and spending a bit of time inside them will give you confidence in offering real solutions. Begin building a portfolio of sample chatbot conversations and solutions. Even if you don't have paying clients yet, create mock-ups that demonstrate your understanding of real business problems. This portfolio becomes your selling tool when approaching potential clients. The pricing strategy that works best is value-based rather than time-based. Focus on the problems you're solving and the money you're saving or generating for clients. A chatbot that saves a business owner 10 hours per week is worth far more than what you might charge hourly for your time. Start by reaching out to local business networks, joining entrepreneur groups, and demonstrating your expertise through helpful content on social media platforms. Word-of-mouth referrals become your most powerful marketing tool once you deliver exceptional results. The AI chatbot income opportunity is real, accessible, and growing rapidly. While others debate whether artificial intelligence will replace human jobs, smart entrepreneurs are positioning themselves as the essential connection between AI capabilities and human needs. If you want to experiment with building your first chatbot, I recommend starting with Tidio. It's free to try, easy to set up, and designed for business use cases. I've left a link in the description below so you can check it out. Your next income stream might be just one chatbot away,